Market snap a three-day winning streak, but the good news is while we started the day lower, we've actually gone home at the day's high point despite ending in negative territory. Well, today's market was interesting because while the benchmark went home with a slight cut, it was the broader markets that were action-packed to say the least. The Nifty itself was down marginally. Mid-cap index went home with a gain of 1%. Small-cap index outperformed as well, going home flat for the day, and Bank Nifty performed in line with the benchmark index. The breadth of the market across the Nifty 50 was very, very clearly biased towards the losing stocks. But like we said, across the broader market universe, stock-specific trade is what drove enough and more action in today's market, helping and encouraging traders to actually make some money in this holiday truncated week. And of course, monthly F&O expiry too. Well, that's the Nifty 50. Bajaj Finance, Hindalco, Adani Port, Britannia, BPCL, Axis Bank were the top gainers. No specific trend in terms of sectorial biases. It was largely stock-specific for the Nifty 50 as well. Bharti, Power Grid, Aisha, IT, Auto, Metals were some of the big losers in today's day of trade in the Nifty 50 as well. Across the broader markets, it was brokerages that helped counters actually pick up momentum in the session. So you had stocks like Interglobe, where there was a buy call by UBS at the word get-go this morning. The stock is, UBS believes Interglobe could go up 25% from these levels. The markets got excited. The counter went home with a gain of 6%. Similarly, Kotak Institutional Equities puts out a buy call on diagnostic companies like Dr. Lal Path, and the stock goes home with a gain of 6.5%. Phoenix Mills from the real estate pack did quite well. Triveni Turbine, Gujarat Power, Finolex as well had a good run, even though there were no apparent reasons, but the volumes in this one were fairly large in today's trade. On the sell side, it was God knows which, maybe the 7th or the 8th straight day of losses for Tata Investment. The stock once again hitting lower circuit in trade. Apart from that, you had the likes of a previous spec, Ajaria Ceramics, IFL and JM Financial losing out in trade today on back of a special audit that is expected to be conducted by the regulator. So all in all, while we've snapped a three-day winning streak, it wasn't too bad for the street. In a holiday truncated week, the Nifty's gone home lower, but the fact remains that the broader markets outperformed the benchmark by quite a margin today.